Hi everyone, now I will show you what a breadboard is and how it's working. So, firstly, this this whole line is connected together. That's all, let's say one wire, one metal. This -2, it's just one line connected, and inside here those 5 points are connected, those 5, those 5, those 5, and so on. And of course this line is exactly like this. It has here, you see, things to, and here you have, so you can connect more breadboards together. You can remove these ones too, but I will not do that today. So let's try how it works. What you will need? You will need LED, resistor around 330 ohms for 5 volts, few wires. You can have these normal wires, you can use jumper wires, whatever you like or have. You need a power supply. I will use power from mobile charger, old mobile charger, which is 5 volts, 4.8 volts is this one. I just connected 2 wires to it, so let's pick it in the. Okay, now let's connect it to the breadboard. So plus here, minus here. Okay, now this whole line is under the 5 volts. It's all connected. This blue line too. These haven't anything inside, and these haven't anything, as it's not connected to this one. So let's now pick inside LED. I don't know if you see here, it's cutted, so it's minus. We'll put it just anywhere on the breadboard. We will put resistor somewhere, let's say here, like this. Okay, so now you see this is connected together. So we just connected resistor to the LED here. You see, because it's in the same line. Okay. Now as I said, we can use any wire. We will use this one for minus. Here I picked it. Okay, see, it's in the same line. And one for plus, 5 volts. Okay, plus. And it's working. See, if you want to connect this side too, as you see now, it's not working because this side is not connected, just this side is. So we will need one more line to connect these to these. Now it's working. At the same thing, we can just move this line here. So it's pretty simple, right? So I hope you learned something new today. See ya in next video. Thanks for watching.